Okay, you're welcome. This is another topic, HTML headings. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. Example, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. I believe we have discussed briefly about importance of heading on the website. And also we also discussed about the fonts, the difference between the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let me show you a sample of what it looks like. We have seen something like this before in our previous class. And so we don't need to waste much time on that. Let's go back to where we were. Now, HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the H1, that is tag H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, while H6 defines the least important heading. This is how it should look. Just like the example I showed you earlier. That's what it is. You can see I've shown you this before. So let's move on with our lesson. Note, browsers automatically add some white space, a margin before and after a heading. Headings are important. Search engines use the headings to index the structure and contents of your web page. Users often skim a page by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. H1 tag headings should be used for main headings, followed by H2 headings. Then the least important is H3 tag headings, and so on like that up to H6 tag. Note, use HTML headings. Use HTML headings for headings only. Don't use headings to make text big or bold. That is, don't use it as your paragraph. Use it as your heading only. Now, bigger headings. Each HTML headings has a default size. However, you can specify the size for any headings with the style attributes using the CSS font size property. This is how it should look at this example of what I just talked about. So let's see how it looks like. As you can see here, the heading 1 even look bigger than the way it used to look in our previous class. Reason for this is because we use style sheets to even make it more bigger. You look at the HTML page at the top of the screen here. Look at our H1, sorry. The H1 followed by style, then followed by font size. Then we now determine the font size to be 66 px. Then we put our element content with the J3 H1 there, then close tag. Then later we put beneath it we have our paragraph. And when you look at the results of what we have at the top of the screen there, at the page, HTML page, you look under it, you will see the result of what it looks like. So that is the way we can use style sheets, that is CSS style sheets, to make our H1 even bigger as our heading. Now, HTML tag reference. Our W3 Schools tag reference contain additional information about these tags and their attributes. We have all this in our previous lesson, so I don't think it is necessary for us to still go through it. Now let me just read through them. Tag and their description. Tags and their description. HTML define the root of an HTML document. We talked about that in our previous lesson. And then we talked about body, that is define the document's body. And H1 to H6 simply means define HTML heading. So that is what we have under the topic here, HTML headings. Thank you. God bless you.